welcome back to Do It on a Dime. We've got 97-cent deals and we are saving big today. So many of you, since Dollar Tree raised their prices, have been leaving comments like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can shop at Dollar Tree anymore. They're raising prices, blah. So I thought I would put together a list of all of the best dollar and under deals from Walmart. This is one that you can keep in your back pocket, so when you're in store, you are actually saving.
I'll also go over what to avoid at Walmart, because that matters too.
This video truly might surprise you. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know that I am a keynote speaker for Get Organized HQ this year. And what is more, the ticket is completely free. My keynote session is called From Pressure to Peace, the Secret to Lasting Change. So if you are somebody that struggles to get organized, stay organized, find motivation, I am so excited to see you there. I'll be joined by over 100 other speakers. It is a super fun day. And again, it is totally free. The link is pinned down below. Check it out. I want to see you there. And I'll also be hosting a live Q&A session so I can get to interact with some of you guys, which is super cool. Prices are increasing everywhere. It goes without saying, all of the back to school items right now and all of the office items are far cheaper at Walmart. From pencil pouches to glue to school supplies, composition notebooks, everything is better at Walmart. It is the place to shop. It beats Amazon and it beats Dollar Tree. But here is the secret. Prices are going up everywhere and Walmart is actually really expensive for most things that the Dollar Tree has for way cheaper. And I want to give you some examples. Almost every organizing product, even in the back to school section, is way cheaper at Dollar Tree. The collapsible storage totes are only $5 at Dollar Tree. They're over $6 at Walmart. Even the organizing caddies, all of the organizing bins and containers too, especially the larger ones, lots that I use for organizing pantries, those are several dollars more at Walmart.
And I want to be clear, because this is important, the Dollar Tree counterparts have the same quality and you save almost $2 a container. If you're doing a large project, all of those $2 bits are going to add up. You might be getting price gouged if you're not shopping at Dollar Tree and going to Walmart instead. Even trending products too. Dollar Tree has a similar gold box. It's a little smaller than this one, but it's only $5. This one's $10. The motion activated lights, the rechargeable lights are all $10 to $15. These are still $5 each at Dollar Tree.
The shelf liner was double the price at Walmart and their drawer organizers were like $6 to $10 a piece. I was actually really blown away by how expensive things have gotten.
These Velcro dots to organize tech, remotes, you get the same number of them at Dollar Tree. Walmart was charging $3.47. But the organizer's back, girl, put them back.
And I was dumbfounded. There was an over $5 jar that literally is the same jar I have seen at Dollar Tree for $1.50. Like, period, full stop. So you are overpaying on almost every single organizing product. Just trust if you're shopping at Walmart. It's why I like the Dollar Tree and I'm sharing it with you. And Walmart tried to play a party trick on us, okay? They put all of their plates, like their basic standard plates, at $1, along with some of their napkins. I think it's because they were trying to capture the Dollar Tree audience that is really sad about the prices going up over $1.25. But here's the thing, most of the other party supplies at Walmart are still really expensive. If you want a solid color plate, a solid color napkin, go to Walmart. But all of the balloon arches are more expensive. All of the candles are more expensive. Most of the tissue paper is more expensive. And even the larger bags are more expensive. So while some items they've marked down to $1, what I'm seeing is they've marked up other items because chances are you're not gonna shop at two different stores for party supplies. They do have some character items that are $1.24, so that's rivaling Dollar Tree's prices, but just keep it in mind, you're really not saving that much, especially if you need to get things that are outside of a single color.
All of Dollar Tree's catering is $2 now, but Walmart is charging more for a lot of the same items. This is $2.52. Their tongs are about 12 cents cheaper, but it's not that much.
So keep that in mind when you're shopping there. You're going to pay excess in other items because they're marking some items down. I have seen this all throughout the store pretty consistently. In terms of the crafting section, hold tight. We're going to talk about it more in a minute, but I would stay away from all of the foam and even their florals. In my estimation, the quality wasn't that great. I know there are some florals that are 97 cents. My store didn't have any, and the ones that they had, they were charging $5 and $6 for, and I think Dollar Tree has better quality at a $3 price point. When it comes to all crafting tools, I'm talking Westcott scissors, cutters, I have found all of those products, the same name brand, at Dollar Tree for $1.25 to $1.50. So don't be fooled. Dryer balls are more expensive at Walmart. Picture frames are more expensive at Walmart. And odor eliminators, lots of products that Dollar Tree sells dupes of, Walmart is charging way more. The paint brushes are almost the same thing I'm seeing at Dollar Tree, and this is like quintuple the price. Their super glue is more expensive. Even the spackle is more expensive. These are the items that they are really marking up several dollars. Dollar Tree has those same name brands in their store and they are so much better.
Take, for example, these cleaning gloves. These are some of my favorites. They're $3.77 at Walmart, and these are the Dollar Tree version. Just as good, $1.50.
I try to compare like with like because sometimes the name brand is a more quality product, but I want to make sure if I'm recommending it to you, you're actually saving when you buy it. When it comes to the beauty aisle, my goodness, Dollar Tree has tons of e.l.f. products that were $8 or $9 a piece. Those same products are still $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Such a better deal.
Dollar Tree has a makeup sponge pack just like this one. I showed it in a recent video that is triple the price at Walmart. Travel shampoo was $3 at Walmart, $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and all their face masks are between $2.97 and like $5.
I specifically want to address the staples that you have to rebuy or repurchase. These are the things you want to be saving money on because this is what adds up over time. And let's just talk about the truth when it comes to home decor and sticky tiles. The sticky tiles are so much more expensive at Walmart. They are double the price for almost the same thing. I found two almost identical tiles that they have at Dollar Tree.
These are like $3 to $4 a piece, and I really looked at the quality to see, and I genuinely could barely tell a difference between this and the Dollar Tree version. So definitely get it there.
And I just have to point this out too. I saw a 3-pack of LED candles. I was so curious to see this. That was over $10 at Walmart. The almost exact same product is at Dollar Tree for $5.
But wait, Kathryn, I thought we were doing Walmart deals too. Don't worry, I'm getting there.
I actually like Walmart. Walmart has great furniture. They have great dupes of high-end items. And I have done full makeovers using all Walmart products. They have some solid finds. If you are looking for larger craft items, crafting machines, or bigger items for your home, Walmart can be the place to go. But if you're looking for some of those staples that I talk about a lot on my channel, I still think Dollar Tree is a better win. Now, when it comes to shopping at Walmart, here are 15 97-cent and cheaper than Dollar Tree deals you absolutely need to know about. Number 1 are toothbrushes. Number 2 are toothpastes. And number 3 is travel gear. Number 4 is also spray bottles. All of these items are $1. Number 5, we have Q-tips and cotton balls. Both of these products are $1. And number 6, I have nail clippers. I was excited to see these.
Another great dollar deal is this dual pencil sharpener by Wet n Wild.
You know how much I love a pool noodle, not just for summertime, but for crafts. These are 97 cents, and they're bubbles. You can get a 6-pack of bubbles for 75 cents, and this kind of rolls into Walmart clearance. Sprinkling in some seasonality, Walmart clearance can bring that price down some. Right now, summer is all on clearance, so lots of their terracotta pots, some really cute items you can find for 75 cents to $1, and this stuff is really awesome and worth checking out. Keep your eyes peeled for low dollar deals, especially during clearance time if you're willing to shop off season. But when it comes to party supplies, the plates and napkins do get to make the list because they are just $1. I told you I was coming back to the crafting. Let's talk about craft rocks. This you can get for just 98 cents. And not only that, Walmart has the thin ribbon for 97 cents. Keep in mind, the thicker ribbon, in my opinion, is better to get at Dollar Tree. It's a better quality and it is cheaper. But the thin ribbon is awesome from there. And another thing Walmart sells is paint. You can get Folk Art brand paint. It beats Dollar Tree in terms of quality for $1.17. And they have Apple Barrel paint for 58 cents. This is cheaper than Dollar Tree and the place to go for paint.
Where you can get it over $1 are select fabrics, like small samples of them, as well as some of their wood products. These are $1.07, but be careful, some you will overpay for. The picture frames at Walmart are more than Dollar Tree.
If you're a DIYer or you make a lot of one item, you could save a lot of money by going to Walmart, but you need to know where to look. Everything in this list are things that you would buy over and over, so it's good to have that list in your back pocket so you know when you're in store. Be sure to check out the link to Get Organized HQ. I'm going to put it in the pinned comment. I would love to see you in the live session and just give you lots of motivation and encouragement. My hope is always that this channel helps you feel better. It helps you feel more equipped to love on, to organize, to make your home beautiful, all of those things combined, because you, my friend, as always, are more than enough. I will catch you in the next video. Hug time!